Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your hub on a Kia Optima, and it's also the same for the Hyundai Sonata because they're basically the same car. So first we got to take off the wheel. This right here gonna be 21 millimeter. It's gonna be 21 millimeter right here. Alright, so you can do this 3 ways, alright? First way is you can take off this right here. And this is a tie rod end. And what this is gonna do is give you the option to move the wheel like this freely. That will help to make the work easier. Or you can get both sides up and you manually turn it, but that one you're gonna need the key inside the ignition. Or you can just turn the steering whenever you can, whenever you need to turn it. So I have both wheel up, so I just need to turn. I'm not going to take this off, just going to turn the wheel. All right, first I got to take off the caliper right here, which have one right here. I think it's 17 millimeter bolt, and another one down here, 17 millimeter also. All right. Alright, so your brakes, it might when you're trying to take it off, your rotor might have a lip on it, a little lip, because of the wear on the pads on the rotor. So to go get around that, you push this right here, get a flathead screwdriver. Alright, so they are 17 millimeter. And the other one is up there, alright? And you also want to support the you want to go ahead and support the caliper so you don't hang on your brake line. So I got my bungee car right here. Support it so it don't fall down. That's it right there. Got the support. Now it's time to take out these 2 Phillips screws. You need an impact screwdriver. So yeah, I turned the wheels just so you can see what I'm doing. So this way there. Put it on it. You want to twist it. Hold the pressure on it while twisting it. At the top. Alright guys, so this is what I use. I thought the video was rolling when I was doing it, but it wasn't. Sorry for that. So this is screw right here. Put this right here inside. Put this right here, and then you want to have like a tension on it, and then you want to knock it. Alright. Alright, so that you want to knock it after that. And the rotor is going to cease. So this is what we're trying to take off. So the next thing is to remove this big nut right here. Alright, so this is what I have, an 1.25 inch socket. I don't remember if it's 32 or 30 millimeter. I'm not sure about that, but I'm sure for 1.25 inch. Alright, take that out. So you want to tap it. Make sure it's moving back and forth. So that's good. Alright, so as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 14 millimeter bolts. Alright, and they're going from this side. As you can see, one right here, another one right here. So I'm going to turn the steering wheel to get easier access to it. Got a 14 millimeter right here. Goes on it like that. Alright. Giving me some trouble to get the gun over there because of this right here that I said I was gonna that you can take off to make it easier, but I'm gonna work around it. I'm gonna get an adapter and put it here and put a little bit of swivel. All right, or swivel. All right, so let's do that. All right, so this is what I have so far. This will make it easier for me. All right. Out. So now you just want to shake it back and forth. Come out like that. I've changed it because you can hear it's bad. Alright, so guys, this is the part number for it right here. Get it to focus right there. And this is how it should come. Alright. You want to line up the spline over here. Alright, get that in place. Place. Alright, so that's all good. Now it's time to tighten them up. Tighten the other two on this side and then go on the other side. So you just want to bend the safety lock in. You can bend both in or one. Alright? Bend both. So I have both of them, I bend them in. Now it's time to get the rotor, put that on. That's it. Time to get this. That's it, guys. That's how you change your hub on a Hyundai Sonata and a Kia Optima. Now it's time to put on your tires. Was first, before you put on your tires, you want to double check your work. Make sure everything is all nice and tight. Make sure you tighten all the screw, the nuts and bolts you're supposed to tighten when you take them off. Alright, so everything look good. As you can see, I've been these in, so that's look good so far. Now it's time to put on the tire. Alright guys, please subscribe to the channel, help me help you. I'm going to try to leave a link in the description and also pin a link in the comment for the part if I find it. Alright. After you come in the car, you just want to pump the brakes up a little bit before you go ahead and crank the car up. Alright. And that's it, guys. Thank you for your love and support. Once again, subscribe to the channel, help me help you. I'm trying to leave a link in the description where you can help me, and also where I can help you to find a part. All right, thank you.